tape 1.3, Wave 1, Part 3, Advanced Focus 10. Before I get into this tape, I just wanted to say something about the previous tape. Again, as with the first tape, that night I would get very vivid dreams. That it feels so real. When I wake up, I'm like, wow, that felt so real. So that happened again. So this tape, okay, I think so far this is my favorite tape. This tape is about being able to really get into the body asleep, mind awake state. Really practice to get into this state. Again, I've done this tape twice. I did it once yesterday and I've done it again today just to make sure I get it right. And wow, I think this tape is so cool because I'm going to give you an example how this tape can be useful. This state, Focus 10, when you're in a body asleep, mind awake state, what was good for me was trying to find solutions to some of my problems. I could think very clearly, non-emotional thinking, and very sharp, very deep. So when the example that I would say is, let's say someone has to make a big decision, or like needs to find a solution to a problem. If you use this tape and you're in this state, it might help you see things more clearly and find a solution to your situation. That's what I feel this tape is useful for. I really feel now, as I said in the previous tape, before doing Focus 10, I didn't believe that I can get into a body asleep, mind awake state. Like that sounded kind of weird. But now I really understand it. I'm comfortable getting it to this state. I'm comfortable getting it to Focus 10. I actually feel ready for Focus 12 now. So it's a very interesting state. Again, I get very strong and vivid visuals in this tape. Very strong and vivid scenes that I could describe in detail, like in a lot of detail. And like sometimes these visuals, they would stay for a couple of seconds. Like it's not like in the first tape it would be very fast, like half a second visual. But now like it stays for a couple of seconds. I could see it very clearly, like what's happening. So now I feel ready to move on to Focus 12. Again, very happy, very excited about this tape and excited about the journey, but I really like this tape a lot. It's a very good, cool state, especially because after I feel so energetic, so refreshed, so in a good mood, and just a higher sense of awareness, better feeling. And again, I just want to note that I do a lot of research before doing a tape. Like I read the manual to make sure I do it the right way. So, and again, I'm very comfortable with hemisync, right? The synchronization of both hemispheres. And I kind of understood how to activate that, and that really helped me get into the state and have these feelings. So I don't know if it's a coincidence how I feel after these tapes, but I think the state, Focus 10, is very beneficial for us, for our conscious and our subconscious. It's a state where you can really observe what's happening around you, and yeah, I'm still at the beginning of this journey, so I'm just saying what I'm sure about. Some other things happened, but I'm not sure about, but this has been my experience so far. So I'll keep posting how it goes, okay? Good luck with your journey.